Hey guys, Pete here with GIS Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to join an attribute table to an existing shapefile in QGIS. So as you can see on my screen here, I have a parcel layer and an address point attribute table. So the common field in both the attribute table and the shapefile is parcel ID. So if I click onto the parcel layer and I open up the attribute table, you see right here we have a parcel number. And in the attribute table, this might take a minute because I'm actually bringing up the whole county just as a demo. So once this opens up, we could take a look at that parcel number field, which is right over here. And we want to just pull in this address. So the first thing we could do is on our parcel layer, our shapefile, I'm just going to right click, go to properties, go to joins. Down here, we click on the green plus button to add a join. So we're joining the address points. The field we're using is going to be the parcel number. The target field is the parcel number. Now, we could leave everything as a default, or if you wanted, you could join the fields, only the fields you want to include. Like, for example, that full address field right here. I can say OK. Or I could just simply just select them all, and that's fine too. So just give it a minute, and we'll go ahead and right click, and we'll open up our attribute table, and we should see the full address right here. So again, it was just based off of that parcel ID. We're able to join to get those address points. So anyway, hope you guys found that useful. Please leave a comment down below if you have any questions along with this tutorial. And as always, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.